Hapa ndio naishi.
Oh my goodness. Hello. Isaac. Habari yako? Uko salama? Ian David.
Yes, sir.
Habari boss. How are you?
Nimeshtuka ni hapa youngest.
Unashangaa nini inaendelea leo hapa nyumbani? Yes. This one is young. Oh my. Hello. Okay, asante sana. So,
We are so very happy.
sasa tunahama. Ni kuhama.
Kuhama.
Asante sana. Yeah. So you now have a new home. Oh my goodness. Very good. Yeah. Wow. This is your pastor. Yeah. You're a mother of boys. Okay, very good. Very good. So this is very good. I am very happy that this morning you are moving from a uni hut to a house.
A very comfortable one.
Yes.
Yes.
This is exactly what we undertook under the affordable housing program. We have a program for institutional housing. So for our police officers, we said we are going to do 17,000 units. So that in different parts of the country. So I know many of them are in different stages. Did you give? We gave away the ones in Meru. In Chuka.
In Chuka.
In Chuka.
Last time the officers are very comfortable.
Yes. Okay, my friend.
Just that one. Just that have a cup.
Okay, I nitakupanga. Okay. Sasa.
Yes.
Nipange kidogo.
All right. Yes.